Actually, the government is closing Kannada medium government schools recently in the name of public magnet schools, KPS magnet schools. These earlier they had this KPS schools. It's all right. They were giving the facilities and they were creating the well placed facilities and all this they were giving. But now they are closing the Kannada medium schools, that particularly government Kannada medium schools, in the name of magnet schools. But it is not appreciable. If you want to help the poor students, there are poor students who are not having the advantage of studying, undergoing the education. Particularly, about 2.5 lakh students are sending the application to the social welfare department, asking for the accommodation. Only about 1 lakh people are getting, and remaining 1.5 lakh students are going back. They are not getting the education at all. If you are particular about the education of the students and the people, go to them. And secondly, we have the central schools. Central schools are admitting only central government employees and other things. But state government students are not getting. Of course, they are in the list, but they will not be having the opportunity to go to that. And go to them and get them to this school. And thirdly, village students are going to the convent students. Why? What is the reason behind it? They are thinking that the facilities are given more in the private institutions. Provide the same facilities in the government school. Then to see why the students are not coming to that. You are not giving the teachers properly. You are not giving the laboratories and other things. If you provide all these things, you can attract the students, and these schools will become magnet instead of creating the artificial magnet schools as such. That's why we are opposing this one.
So what are your demands then?
Our demand is KPS magnet schools are to be closed. If they are not closing, stop closing the Kannada medium government schools. Don't close the Kannada medium government schools. Let them be continued. Give the facilities to them. Make them magnetic.